Hey Robert, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and allowing me to send you this video. This is the complimentary video that I had spoke about, and all I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback, either by emailing me or giving me a call at 850-838-6092. So let's jump right into it. So the general gist of this video here is to show you the three main ways that we can help your website rank in Google for select key terms that are being searched by consumers every month. And I understand that you don't have a website. As far as I know, I tried looking you up and I was just able to find your listings here. But nonetheless, that wouldn't stop us from helping you build a website and ranking it in order to start ranking for these specific terms. And I know that these terms are getting searched by consumers every month because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's 280 searches every month for a painting contractor in Augusta, Georgia. And just to kind of show you the value in that, if there's 280 searches every month and you're just ranking here in the organic listing, that's still 33% of those people to your website every month. On average, about 33% of them will click on, this link here. And then that's, an additional 92 people on your website every month. A well-built website typically brings in about 40%. So that's an additional, 36 to 37 phone calls or lead forms sent in every month. So even if we just do some basic math and you only close 50% of those, and then let's say that you only profit about $700 each job, that's still an additional $12,000 to $13,000 every month just by ranking here in Google. So again, I hope that you see the value in this, and let's jump right into it. So obviously I can't go through and break down your website because you don't have one, but I will just use Brush and Roll Incorporated to break down their website and show you how easy it would be to build one and rank it in Google for these select key terms. So if we copy everything that you see here on their homepage, including what these images are saved as, this is the content on their homepage, which is 522 words. And this is really what Google kind of crawls over and reads and basically judges your website on, of course. So they only have 522 words. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And the reason for that is because Google looks at your website as a contribution to their platform. And so if you reach that 1,500 to 2,000 plus word mark, they will reward you by ranking your website for whatever your content is relevant to. So if you have these exact match keywords on your homepage and you have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, you're going to outrank your competitor, meet Google's requirement, and start ranking for those words that your consumers are searching every month. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is backlinks. And what a backlink is basically one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take their URL and we throw it into Ahrefs, this shows me the back end of their website. And as you can see, they only have 24 links coming from 19 websites. And obviously this is the health of their website, and it's pretty low. This stands for the trust rating, in which Google trusts these links and how they kind of rate whether they're quality or not. And so obviously that's a pretty low percentage, and they don't have a whole lot of links coming in regardless. So it would be relatively easy to come in here and get quality links from quality pages. And even with fewer links, we could pass a lot more power. Just so that you have a visual representation, this is what a link looks like going to their homepage. However, this is a temporary no-follow link, just because it's the result of this search engine. But if we were to have a link like this that went to your website and we had it on a painting blog or an Augusta, Georgia news channel website, that would be really relevant and pass a lot of power to your website. And then the health of your website would be a lot healthier than this. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you has everything to do with getting us in this map pack here. And all it is citations. And what a citation is the business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, BBB, Facebook, etc. And what that does is it verifies that you have a physical address and that you are a real business and that you're not just another website. And then in doing so, your Google My Business page starts to rank for wherever your address is. So again, this is all that I have for you today. And the reason that that's important is because these 3 listings up here typically get about 25% more clicks than these organic listings down here. So as you can tell, that's 25% more people to your website, which is 25% more customers, which is 25% more money every month. So that's all that I have for you today. I hope that you find it informative and helpful. Again, all I ask is just a little bit of feedback in return. You can give me a call at 850-838-6092. So I appreciate it, and thanks for your time.